Okay, to anybody watching this, what I'm doing is a very stupid idea. Don't try this because I put it on a metal bench for ground. That way I can arc off anywhere on this bench. But it's a really stupid idea. And notice I'm standing on a rubber mat and I'm being careful. So I suggest you use some safety because it's not just going to shock you, it could very possibly kill you. So, let's have some fun. I got a cigarette butt and a CD over here. We're going to see what it does when I arc around them. Okay. Just 1 second here. I suggest sunglasses too, because this gets very, very bright. And see, I can arc off anywhere on this bench. So. Doesn't do too much to the cigarette butt. See about a CD. Not so much to a CD either. Well, at least I can arc off anywhere. That's the only advantages this has. But it's a very stupid idea because you bump up against this bench or anything else like that and it's not gonna feel good. I've gotten shocked by this once and luckily it didn't kill me, it just made my hand go to sleep for a couple hours. And if you've seen my other video, I have a fan from the microwave. Sorry about the lighting, it's my phone again, not a good camera. You notice I have a fan from the microwave and no capacitors or nothing, just straight from the 120 volts to out, and I'm using the transformer as a ground itself, the base of the transformer for a ground, so I just set it on the bench. But again, I won't be doing that a lot because it's a really stupid idea. You bump into the bench, and yes, just one end can shock you if everything's right. So that's my microwave oven transformer again. I got out of this microwave just about an hour or two ago, and let's see if it shows wattage anywhere. I'm thinking this was guessing it's a 3,000. No, that ain't right. Well, I'm guessing it's one of the bigger 1200 watt ones. But we'll probably see some more fun after a little while.